Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned how to install Windows step by step. Today, we are going to learn about something that many people are scared of, but is actually very simple. How to format a computer. What does formatting mean? When should you format? And how do you do it safely? Let's learn everything step by step. What does format mean? Formatting a computer means erasing everything on your hard disk or SSD and installing a fresh, clean copy of Windows. When you format your computer, all your old files, software, viruses and problems are completely removed and you get a brand new Windows experience. Simple example. Think of formatting like renovating your house completely. You remove all the old furniture, repaint all the walls, and start fresh with everything new. Your house feels brand new again. Formatting does the same thing to your computer. When should you format your computer? There are several situations when formatting your computer is the best solution. When your computer is extremely slow and nothing seems to fix it, formatting gives it a fresh start. When your computer has a serious virus or malware infection that antivirus cannot remove, formatting completely wipes it out. When Windows is corrupted and your computer is not starting properly, formatting and reinstalling Windows fixes it. When you want to sell your computer or give it to someone else, formatting ensures all your personal data is completely removed. When your computer has too many old programs and junk files slowing it down, formatting cleans everything at once. Simple example. Formatting is like factory resetting your smartphone. When your phone becomes very slow or has problems, you do a factory reset and it feels brand new again. Formatting is exactly the same thing, but for your computer. Important. Back up your data first. Before you format your computer, the most important thing to do is back up all your important files. Formatting will delete everything permanently. Your documents, photos, videos, music, and all downloaded files will be gone forever. Copy all your important files to an external hard disk, USB drive, or upload them to Google Drive before formatting. Also note down any software you have installed so you can reinstall them after formatting. Also save any important passwords and account details. Simple example. Before renovating your house, you move all your furniture and valuables to a safe place first. Similarly, before formatting, you move all your important files to a safe place first. 2 ways to format a computer. There are 2 main ways to format a computer. The first way is through Windows settings. This is easier and does not require a USB drive. The second way is through a bootable USB. This is used when Windows is not working properly and you cannot access settings. Let's learn both methods. Method 1. Format through Windows settings. This method is perfect when your Windows is working fine, but you just want a fresh start. Follow these steps carefully. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In Settings, click on System. Then scroll down and click on Recovery. You will see an option called Reset this PC. Click on the Get Started button next to it. A window will open with 2 options. The first option is Keep My Files. This reinstalls Windows but keeps your personal files. The second option is Remove Everything. This completely formats and removes all files and gives you a completely fresh Windows. Select Remove Everything for a complete format. Then it will ask you Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the internet. Choose this if your current Windows has problems. Local Reinstall uses the existing Windows files. Choose this if your internet is slow. Then click Next and then click Reset. Windows will start the formatting process automatically. Your computer will restart several times. The whole process takes about 30 to 60 minutes. After it finishes, you will get a brand new fresh Windows. Simple example. Reset this PC is like the factory reset option on your phone. It is built right into Windows and is very easy to use. Method 2. Format through bootable USB. Use this method when Windows is not working, not starting, or is seriously corrupted and you cannot access settings. For this method, you need a bootable USB with Windows already created. We learned how to create this in our previous video. Insert the bootable USB into your computer and restart. Enter BIOS by pressing Delete or F2 key and change the boot order to boot from USB first. Save and restart. The Windows installation screen will appear. Click Next and then click Install Now. Skip the product key by clicking I don't have a product key. Select your Windows version and click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose Custom Install for a complete fresh format. Select the partition where Windows is installed. Usually Drive 0, Partition 2. Click Format to completely erase it, then click Next and Windows will install fresh automatically. What to do after formatting? After formatting is complete, there are several important things to do to get your computer fully ready again. First, go to Windows Settings and check for Windows updates. Install all available updates to make sure your Windows is fully up to date and secure. Second, install your drivers, graphics driver, audio driver, and network driver. You can find these on your laptop manufacturer's website or use Driver Booster software to install all drivers automatically. Third, install your essential software like Google Chrome, MS Office, VLC Media Player, and WinRAR. Fourth, install a good antivirus to protect your fresh Windows from viruses. Fifth, restore your backed up files from your external hard disk or Google Drive. Sixth, activate Windows if you have a product key. Important tips. Always back up your data before formatting. This is the most important step. Make sure your laptop is plugged into power during the whole formatting process. Never turn off or restart your computer manually during formatting. If you are formatting to sell your computer, choose Remove Everything and also enable the Clean the Drive option. This makes sure your data cannot be recovered by anyone. Difference between format and reset. Many people ask, what is the difference between format and reset? They are actually the same thing in simple terms. Format means erasing the drive and installing fresh Windows. Reset this PC in Windows settings does exactly the same thing in an easier way. Both give you a fresh, clean Windows in the end. So now you know exactly what formatting means, when to format, and how to format your computer using both methods, Windows settings and bootable USB. Remember, always back up your data first before formatting. In our next video, we will learn about files and folders. What are they and how to manage them properly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.